Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find biometrics and security. Right now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on other security settings, and here we've got whole credential storage. At the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it, and if you are ready to remove all the contents, to remove all licenses, just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully because this option is inactive, so we cannot actually tap on it and remove it again because it is removed. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy A11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.